Hey guys, it is day 4 of the bathroom renovation project. My dad was down yesterday helping out. We had a major breakthrough. In fact, we had 2 major breakthroughs. When I say breakthrough, I mean we literally broke through the cast iron tub. You can see it is no more. A sledgehammer and some sweat and tears. I smacked my toe, so that's where the tears come in. And we were able to get 335 pounds of cast iron out of here, down these perilous steps. Which we probably would have killed ourselves on if we took it out in one piece. The other breakthrough we had was this pipe, which we literally broke through. So that pipe used to sit right here. It connected the hot water feed into the bathroom to the hot water for the shower. Well, when we were smashing the tub, the house was shaking, it was vibrating, and it was right over top of where this pipe was. So I think what happened was an old pipe sitting just below the floorboards, all the vibration from smashing the tub on top of it, and it was a recipe for disaster. Slight crack formed in the tub where it crossed the joist, and so we had to take up the floorboards, take out the pipe, and we'll need to replace that. In addition to the P-trap, which we already knew we were going to need to replace because it also was destroyed in the course of removing the tub. The other thing that we noticed yesterday and we're paying special attention to is that by adding a layer of drywall over top of the existing plaster, which we're going to be doing, we're going to thicken the walls just enough that it could create a slight problem for our outlet boxes here. So we're going to have an outlet here, and 2 light switches here, one to control the light over the vanity and one to control the exhaust and light over the tub. And we still need to cut our place for that. Well, these boxes need to be flush with the wall, and so by adding drywall over top of it, we need to bring those boxes out a little bit further than we normally would. So I'm going to give special care and attention to that as I prepare for that part of the project. The other place the thickness of the wall matters is behind the toilet. We need a 12-inch rough-in for our toilet, which is what the old rough-in is, and it's what the new one's going to be too. Well, that's like exactly the amount of space we currently have. So by adding drywall on top of this, I might be thickening it just enough that it pushes the toilet off its mark. And we need that toilet to sit comfortably right on those bolts that are already in place. I don't want to have to redo any of that. So the solution, just to be sure, it might fit, but I don't want to risk it. So the solution is to take out the plaster behind the toilet, down to the wood lath, and then put drywall over it that matches the plaster of the rest of the existing plaster, so that we don't add any thickness to it and the toilet will fit nicely. The other thing we need to do today is to get the floors, the rest of the floors taken up. So we still have linoleum down here. You can see the wood underneath. My goal is to get all of that out of here by the end of today. And then we will be ready to start rebuilding this room pretty quickly after that. After we've got the floors and the walls all taken down, the wiring in, and the new piping in, then it's time to rebuild. So that'll all be happening soon. Stay tuned for day 5.